Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Google Pixel 4a, at first you have to go for the settings, then tap on the connected devices, tap on the connection preferences and move to the printing. Use the default print service, and as you can see, our smartphone find this printer and connects automatically. If it is not going to happen in your case, you have to click to add the service. Then you will be moved to the Play Store, and right now you can download plugin from company of your printer. So if you are using the HP print service or the brother, you have to just simply click here and then tap to install. After that, you will be connected if you go through the first steps like accept terms and private stuff. And if you want to print something, you have to go for that file. I will show you example on the pictures. So I will take this one and click on the share button on the left corner and then move to the print. Then we have to select the printer and click this icon to print that picture. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.